I bet you didn't know the secrets behind a successful website. Welcome to Unlocking Website Secrets, Tech, Ranking and Code Quality. This video is divided into 9 chapters, each focusing on different aspects of website analysis. Today we're diving deep into the world of websites, but not just from the surface. We're talking about uncovering the hidden gems, the tech stack, the ranking secrets, the code quality, everything that makes a website tick. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, understanding the intricate details of a website can give you a significant competitive edge. Whether you're a developer, digital marketer, or business owner, knowing the technology stack, website ranking, code quality, and other parameters can help you make informed decisions, optimize performance, and enhance user experience. So if you're ready to level up your website game and unlock its full potential, buckle up because we're about to break down these key parameters and show you the tools you need to analyze them like a pro. Let's get started.
This is why you need to understand a website's tech stack. All right, let's kick things off by diving straight into the engine room, the technology stack. This is the backbone of any website, the combination of programming languages, frameworks, and software that power the entire operation. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care about what's happening behind the scenes? Well, understanding the tech stack of a website, especially your competitors, can give you some serious insights. First off, it helps you stay ahead of the curve. The digital landscape is constantly changing, with new technologies emerging all the time. By knowing what others are using, you can identify trends and make sure your own website is built on a future-proof foundation. Secondly, it helps you choose the right tools for the job. Different technologies have different strengths and weaknesses. By understanding the tech stack of successful websites in your niche, you can make informed decisions about which tools are best suited for your own project. So, how do you actually go about uncovering this information? Thankfully, there are some awesome tools out there that make it super easy. 2 of my favorites are Built With and Wappalyzer. Built With is like the Sherlock Holmes of website analysis. You just plug in a URL, and it gives you a detailed breakdown of every single technology used on that site. Wappalyzer is another great option that works similarly. It identifies the technologies used on a website and presents the information in a clean and easy-to-understand format. Both of these tools are incredibly valuable for competitive analysis, market research, and even just satisfying your inner tech geek. By using them, you can gain a deeper understanding of the digital landscape and make smarter decisions about your own website.
I don't think people understand just how crucial website ranking is. In the vast ocean of the internet, where your website ranks can make or break its success. It's all about visibility, and let's be real, the higher you rank on search engine results pages, the more likely people are to find you. But ranking isn't just about throwing keywords around and hoping for the best. It's a strategic game, and to win, you need the right intel. That's where tools like SimilarWeb and SEMrush come into play. These platforms are like having a secret weapon in your arsenal, giving you the power to spy on your competitors and understand what's working for them. SimilarWeb is awesome for getting a general overview of a website's performance. You can see their estimated traffic, bounce rate, average visit duration, and even their traffic sources. This information is gold for understanding how your competitors are attracting visitors and what kind of content is keeping them engaged. SEMrush, on the other hand, takes a deep dive into the world of SEO. It's like having a team of SEO experts at your fingertips. You can analyze your competitors' keywords, track their ranking positions, and even see which backlinks they're earning. This information is invaluable for optimizing your own website and outranking the competition. But here's the thing, understanding your competitors is only half the battle. You also need to understand your own website's ranking performance. Both SimilarWeb and SEMrush offer tools to track your own website's ranking progress, identify areas for improvement, and measure the effectiveness of your SEO strategies. Remember, ranking is an ongoing process, not a one-time fix. By regularly using these tools and staying up to date with the latest SEO trends, you can ensure that your website stays ahead of the curve and reaches its full potential.
I bet you didn't know how crucial code quality is for your website's performance. You see, beneath the surface of every beautiful website lies lines and lines of code. And the cleaner and more efficient that code is, the better your website will perform. Think of it like this. A well-organized and optimized codebase is like a well-oiled machine. It runs smoothly, efficiently, and without any hiccups. On the other hand, messy and bloated code is like a car engine that's clogged with dirt and grime. It's slow, clunky, and prone to breaking down. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about code quality if my website looks fine? Well, here's the thing. Even if your website looks visually appealing, poor code quality can affect everything from its loading speed to its search engine ranking. And let's be real, in today's fast-paced digital world, nobody wants to wait around for a slow website to load. In fact, studies have shown that even a 1-second delay in page load time can result in a significant drop in conversions. So, how do you ensure that your website's code is up to par? That's where tools like Google Page Speed Insights and GTmetrix come in handy. These tools analyze your website's code and provide you with a detailed report on its performance, highlighting any areas that need improvement. Google Page Speed Insights is a great starting point. It gives you a score out of 100 for both mobile and desktop performance, along with actionable suggestions on how to improve your website's loading speed. GTmetrix is another fantastic tool that provides even more in-depth analysis. It breaks down your website's performance into various metrics, such as page load time, total page size, and the number of requests made to the server. By regularly using these tools and following their recommendations, you can ensure that your website's code is clean, efficient, and optimized for optimal performance.
Why are there not more people talking about the importance of SEO and content working together? Let's be real, content is king, but even the most amazing content in the world won't do you any good if nobody can find it. That's where SEO, search engine optimization, comes into play. It's all about making sure your website shows up in search engine results when people are looking for information related to your niche. Now, SEO can seem like a daunting task, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. With the right tools and a little bit of know-how, you can optimize your website and watch your rankings soar. And when it comes to SEO and content analysis, two tools stand out from the crowd: Ahrefs and Moz. Ahrefs is like the Swiss Army knife of SEO tools. It's got everything you need to analyze your website's backlink profile, research keywords, and track your competitors' SEO strategies. Moz is another powerhouse in the world of SEO, offering a suite of tools to help you improve your website's visibility and ranking. One of Moz's standout features is its Keyword Explorer tool. This tool allows you to research keywords, analyze their difficulty, and identify opportunities to rank for them. But here's the key. SEO and content go hand in hand. You can't just stuff your website with keywords and expect to rank. You need to create high-quality, engaging content that people actually want to read. So, how do you create content that's both SEO-friendly and engaging? It's all about finding the right balance between providing valuable information and naturally incorporating relevant keywords into your content. Don't be afraid to get creative with your content formats. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, not a one-time fix. By regularly using tools like Ahrefs and Moz, you can stay ahead of the curve, adapt your strategies, and ensure that your website continues to rank well in search engine results.
Are you worried about your website's security? You should be. In a world where cyber threats are becoming increasingly common, it's more important than ever to ensure that your website is a fortress, protecting both your data and the trust of your visitors. Think of it like this: your website is like your online home. You wouldn't leave your front door unlocked or your valuables lying around for anyone to take. Right? The same goes for your website. A security breach can have devastating consequences. Not only can it damage your reputation and erode the trust you've built with your audience, but it can also lead to financial losses, legal issues, and even the theft of sensitive personal information. So how do you ensure that your website is as secure as Fort Knox? Well, there are a few key things you need to do. First and foremost, you need to make sure your website is running on a secure platform. This means using a reputable web hosting provider and keeping your content management system, plugins, and themes up to date. But that's not all. You also need to be proactive in identifying and addressing vulnerabilities. This is where tools like Qualys SSL Labs and Security Site Check come in handy. These tools act as your personal security guards, scanning your website for any potential weaknesses and providing you with actionable insights to improve your security posture. Qualys SSL Labs is a great tool for checking the strength of your website's SSL TLS certificate. This certificate is essential for encrypting the data that's transmitted between your website and its visitors, ensuring that sensitive information like credit card details and passwords are protected from prying eyes. Security Site Check is another powerful tool that scans your website for a wide range of security threats, including malware, blacklisting, and outdated software. It provides you with a detailed report on any vulnerabilities found and offers recommendations on how to fix them. By regularly using these tools and following their recommendations, you can significantly reduce the risk of your website falling victim to a cyber attack.
Why are there not more people talking about website speed? We live in a fast-paced society where instant gratification is the norm, and nobody wants to wait around for a slow website to load. Think of it like this. You're browsing the web, looking for some information, and you click on a link that catches your eye. But instead of loading instantly, the website takes forever to appear on your screen. What do? You guessed it, you hit the back button and move on to the next result. That's the reality of today's digital landscape. Website speed is no longer just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. In fact, studies have shown that even a 1-second delay in page load time can result in a significant drop in conversions, an increase in bounce rate, and a decrease in customer satisfaction. So, how do you make sure your website is running at lightning speed? That's where tools like GTmetrix and Web Page Test come in handy. These tools are like your personal pit crew, analyzing your website's performance and providing you with detailed insights on how to optimize its speed. GTmetrix is a great starting point. You simply enter your website's URL, choose a testing location, and it gives you a comprehensive overview of your website's performance, including its load time, page size, and requests made. Web Page Test is another fantastic tool that offers even more in-depth analysis. It allows you to test your website from multiple locations around the world, simulate different network conditions, and even capture video of your website loading to identify any visual bottlenecks. By regularly using these tools and implementing their recommendations, you can ensure that your website is loading as fast as possible, providing your visitors with a seamless and enjoyable browsing experience.
I don't think people understand just how crucial website accessibility is. We live in a diverse world where people access the internet using a wide range of devices, browsers, and assistive technologies. It's crucial to ensure that your website is designed in a way that's inclusive and accessible to everyone, regardless of their abilities or disabilities. Think of it like this. You wouldn't design a building with only one entrance and no ramps or elevators, would you? That would exclude anyone who couldn't use stairs. The same principle applies to your website. Accessibility is not just about making your website usable for people with disabilities. It's about creating a better user experience for everyone. When you design with accessibility in mind, you create a website that's easier to navigate, understand, and interact with, regardless of how people are accessing it. So, how do you ensure that your website is accessible? Well, there are a number of guidelines and best practices you can follow, known as the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG. These guidelines cover a wide range of areas, including perceivable, making sure your website's content is perceivable to users, regardless of their sensory abilities. This includes providing text alternatives for images, using sufficient color contrast, and creating content that can be presented in different ways. Operable, ensuring that your website's functionality is operable by users, regardless of their physical abilities. This includes making all functionality available from a keyboard, providing sufficient time limits for completing tasks, and avoiding content that can cause seizures. Understandable, making sure your website's content and functionality are understandable to users, regardless of their cognitive abilities. This includes using clear and simple language, providing consistent navigation, and avoiding complex layouts. Robust. Ensuring that your website is robust enough to be interpreted by a wide range of user agents, including assistive technologies. This includes using valid markup, providing complete and accurate metadata, and testing your website with different browsers and assistive technologies. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds like a lot of work. And while it's true that creating an accessible website does require some effort, it's not as daunting as it might seem. Thankfully, there are some awesome tools out there that can help you along the way. Two of my favorites are Lighthouse and Wave. These tools act as your accessibility sidekicks, scanning your website for potential issues and providing you with actionable insights on how to improve its accessibility.
This is going to blow your mind. We've gone through some of the key parameters that can make or break your website's success. From the tech stack that powers it to the code quality that keeps it running smoothly, from the ranking strategies that boost its visibility to the security measures that protect it from harm, we've covered it all. In today's competitive digital world, the success of your website depends on more than just aesthetics. By leveraging these tools to analyze the technology stack, ranking, code quality, security, performance, and accessibility, you can gain valuable insights that drive improvements and optimize your online presence. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you understand about your website and the factors that influence its performance, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that drive results. Whether you're looking to outperform competitors, enhance user experience, or boost your SEO, understanding these parameters is key to achieving your goals. By incorporating regular website analysis into your digital strategy, you'll be well equipped to make data-driven decisions that lead to sustained success.